They build clay nests in hollows in the cliff face. Architectural masterpieces. The opening is perfectly engineered, so that squeezing in expels a little unwanted dust. Now it's time for a little spring cleaning. In between shifts, there's a chance to hunt. The firebug's bright pattern signals that it's inedible, so it strolls across the rock without a care in the world. Big mistake. The nuthatch gets the bug, but he doesn't eat it. He builds with it. Mashed up, it'll harden to fill holes and cracks in the nest. Protein and chitin combine to a perfect cement. Female and male work as a team. Every now and then, time for a quick snack. This work will continue for generations.